Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, look, I've been doing quite a few videos on the coronavirus and credit and making money online and all of that, trying to give you some information during this unprecedented time. And I think I have 19 videos out there. Hope you guys check those out, and hopefully it's something that you can use. Look, no one's been talking about this. I kind of wanted to bring this to you and make you aware of the PEUC, which was a part of the CARES Act, and some states are starting to roll it out. So this is just kind of a brief overview. You have to check out your state to see if they're implementing it yet. This is just a couple that I found. And I'll try to leave the links to these below. The two that I'm going to highlight a little bit is California and then Oregon, the state of Oregon and the state of California. But California is kind of doing this PEUC in two phases starting May 27th. But basically what it is if you exhaust your unemployment compensation, your benefits, with the claims to start on or June 2nd of 2019. So if you exhausted those claims and they're gone and you exhausted them, you can apply for PEUC. And then those benefits you can actually receive up until December. And the amounts are going to vary depending on the state that you're in. But basically, the program is for if you've exhausted your unemployment. So let's say your unemployment ran out 3 weeks ago, 8 weeks ago, 4 months ago. It doesn't matter. You can apply for this PEUC. So once again, California has two phases. Check those out. It's basically a 13-week federal extension that you can apply for. That's California. They're doing it in two phases. Check that out. This is Oregon's. Once again, the PEUC is a 13-week extension of unemployment insurance for claimants who have run out of benefits. Individuals receiving PEUC also are eligible to receive 600 weekly federal pandemic unemployment compensation benefits for eligible week between March 29th and July 25th of 2020. The PEUC is retroactive to March 29th, the first payable week of program, and lasts up to 13 weeks. Benefits through December 26, 2020. Eligibility. And once again, this may vary how they do it from state to state, but please don't comment to me. Check them out. Go to your state's website for these, because I know I'll get 1,000 comments. There are two ways to be eligible for the PEUC benefits. The first is if someone has used up all the benefits from a current claim for regular unemployment benefits, but the period of the claim has not expired, and a person does not have another regular unemployment claim available to them in another state. The second is if someone was unemployed, ran out of regular unemployment benefits after July 1st of 2019, and a person does not have another regular unemployment available to them in another state. Those eligible for regular unemployment benefits are not eligible for PEUC until those other benefits are exhausted. We cannot accept your application for PEUC until you have run out of benefits or unless your claim is expired. There are 3 ways to apply. Once again, and this, I won't get into this because I think this is for Oregon, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link for the Oregon PEUC pandemic unemployment compensation, and for California. I did look at the state I'm in. I'm in Georgia. The PEUC unemployment allows for up to additional 13 weeks of benefits added to the end of regular unemployment. This means claimants may claim unemployment benefits for a longer period of time under normal under normal circumstances. The GDOL is working quickly to develop and implement the new PEC system. Easier for you to say. Individual eligibility for a PEUC will receive an email with a link to the PUA pandemic unemployment assistance application, potentially receive payments through this program until the PEUC system is available. So if you click this link here, and I'll leave this description here for you too for Georgia. But if you click this here, it'll take you to this page. You know, they weren't easy to find. I have to say, they don't make them easy to find. The pandemic emergency unemployment compensation program, the PEUC, allows for up to 13 weeks. Blah blah blah. This means claimants, same thing. And here's the thing for Georgia: the GDOL has not received the guidelines for PEUC from the USDOL at the time. It does not have time and does not have a time of implementation. The Georgia Department of Labor, the GDOL, is updating its current system to distribute federal unemployment funds on behalf of the federal government as part of the CARES Act. So I don't know why they haven't received instructions, or haven't been able or have a timeline for implementation where other states do. So, look, I just wanted to drop this. I noticed that no one was talking about it. I was kind of surprised at that. But this is, a possibility. If you have run out of your unemployment benefits, I would say keep an eye on your state to see what's going on with it. Once again, I don't know why Georgia haven't implemented it yet, but Oregon and California has. Check out the two links I'll leave down below for you. Look, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. I kind of pivoted a little bit to kind of help out during this time to share some information. I try to be Johnny on the spot with stuff right away because I want to give you some information because I know this time is unprecedented. Look, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Share this content with friends and family if you think if they can use it and it may help them. And then feel free to make a comment. Until next time, be safe, stay 6 feet away, wear your mask when you go out. If not for you, for others. Until next time, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. Be safe. Peace, y'all.